So we're here today at Lower Thornley. We have a hydrogen-ready house behind me. We have two of them. We've done it in conjunction with Cadent and Northern Gas Networks. Baxi have been working with them to make sure that we have a house for the future. It can demonstrate how all the appliances work. So a hydrogen home is a net zero home effectively. It's working on hydrogen technology rather than natural gas. And therefore what it does is the only emissions are water effectively.
From the householder's point of view, it doesn't seem like a difficult transition.
The compatibility of the pipework would be perfect for that situation, because you're not going to lift floorboards, disrupt all the bedrooms and so forth for the radiators. So literally just changing one unit like for like. I think what I've seen today, which is good for the future, for housing associations specifically, so I think therefore we've got to take the initiative and push forward with the hydrogen. And I think another key thing as well, some of our housing stock isn't like fit for purpose for alternative heating, so example heat pumps and stuff like that. So I think hydrogen would be a big win for us.
I think it's immensely important the government get behind it. I think to get the right message out to those housing providers such as ourselves, to let us know what's going to be happening in the future. I think there's a few mixed messages gone out in the past.
I think it's important that British companies are involved in developing these products. We don't want to be importing everything, and it's good to have the expertise.
It's supporting jobs within the UK, it's also supporting the businesses within the UK and providers such as ourselves with a fuel source that is going to see us far into the future.